Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding with Pravin, and today we are going to have some fun combining humor with programming. Have you ever seen Samay Raina, the comedian calculating average in India's Got Talent? He makes it look so simple and funny. But today we are going to write a program to calculate average just like them, expect without jokes. Before we jump into the code, let's quick understand how Samay Raina does it. He takes the judges' score and add them all up and dividing by the numbers of the judges. Simple, right? So that's the formula for finding an average. Average is equal to sum of scores divided by number of judges. And that's it. So let's write a Java program to calculate this and open your favorite ID and let's start the coding. We are importing scanner dot sc is equal to new scanner. Okay, so we imported here this scanner object. Let's print here first. What we gonna do is enter the number of judges. So first we need to enter the we need to print enter the number of judges. We are storing that number of judges in num judges and by scanner object. Let's make an array of scores. We are taking double here because that might be 8.5, 9.5. So that's why. So let's take here array of scores is equal to new double. So what we did here is declares an array called scores to store the judges score and the size of array is equal to number of judges and 4 judges will have an array of 4 size. Okay, we just initialize the sum variable here. So we have to first ask the user to input the scores for judges. Okay, so and here what we are doing is in this for loop starts here to iterate through each judge and the loop runs 0 to I less than nums of judge and if nums of judge is equal to 4 so it will run 4 times. So let's so here in for loop what we are gonna do is here so we are asking here for current judge score. Okay, and till now we didn't took a scanner object here. So let's take we reading the score as double value. You know, when user will like judge will input 3.4 9.5 so that will just reading the scores and storing it in the scores of I. This will simply store the scores of I like every judge score in this sum. Okay, and after this, so this is actual formula. So let's store the average in double average. Okay, and average sum by nums of judges, and we are storing this in average sum and finally everything is done I think and let's print it. So that's it. Now let's test this out and suppose we have 4 judges and let's run this first. So we have to enter here number of judges. So we have 4 judges and enter scores given by each judge. So first judge gives 8.5 and then second judge gives 9.0 and third judge gives 7.5 and fourth is giving 9.2. Okay, and that's program calculates the average perfectly and the average is 8.55. So no need to calculate or worrying about decimals. Even Samay would say why coding ka level high hai. And that's bro. Today we learned calculate average the Samay Raina way but with Java code and this is how small examples of how coding can make even math fun. And if you enjoy this video, hit the like button and share it with your coding buddies and stay stay curious and keep practicing.